Leaky gut affects millions of Americans. And modern medicine doesn't know how to fix it. But in this video, I'm going to show you some easy steps how to fix it. And I've used it to help thousands of my patients to heal their gut without drugs or surgery over the last 30 years. Hi, I'm Dr. Krystosik, and in the previous video, I explained what the leaky gut is and the long list of symptoms and diseases that it actually causes. I'm going to share with you a link of the previous video in the description below, so if you'd like to watch it. Now, let's dive into the long-lasting natural solutions for the leaky gut without wasting any time. I'm going to walk you through the exact steps that I've used for the past 30 years to help thousands of my patients who were told that they had to be on medication for the rest of their life and there was nothing else that could be done for them to. Let me share with you why natural healing provides long-lasting solutions when it comes to chronic gut health problems. Conventional medicine only focuses on the what and not the why. They'll give you a pill for acid reflux, another one for irritable bowel syndrome, or they might end up having to cut out part of your small intestine or maybe your entire large intestine, and maybe they'll give you an antidepressant for good measure. But here's the truth. You don't have a deficiency of antacids or steroids. You have a gut that's screaming for help. And healing leaking gut naturally works because it gets to the root cause of the problem, not just the symptoms. And the first thing to do, the first step in healing leaky gut is removing what's hurting your gut lining, what's damaging the gut lining. And that means saying goodbye to refined sugars and processed foods and overuse of alcohol and overuse of medications like steroids or non-steroidal anti-inflammatory drugs like ibuprofen and other medications that can damage the lining of the gut. Here are some things you can do immediately to help to fix the leaky gut. First of all, you can add in foods to your daily diet that will rebuild the wall of the gut. Think of these foods as the construction crew. And there are some supplements you could take like aloe vera gel that can heal and seal the lining of the wall of the gut. And things like fermented foods like sauerkraut and kefir and kimchi and dairy-free yogurt. These flood your gut with good bacteria. Again, those are the workers on the construction crew to heal your gut. And then supplements like omega-3 fats. But getting it first from foods. Food first is the best medicine. From things like wild salmon and flax seeds and chia seeds and other anti-inflammatory agents like prebiotic fresh fruits and vegetables that are rich in fiber. Vegetables like asparagus and onions and garlic. They feed the healthy microbes, and that's like gourmet food to them. Well, here's a quick tip. If your gut is super sensitive, you want to start slow. So a spoonful of sauerkraut or a half a cup of unsweetened dairy-free yogurt or a couple ounces of kombucha is a good way to introduce these powerful healing agents in a slow manner. You see, there are many research studies that show that patients who incorporate fermented foods into their daily diet get significant improvements to the walls of their intestine over just a couple weeks. Now, let's talk about some of the specific natural remedies that will heal the lining of the gut. Supplements will play a big part to help, but if you don't use them correctly, they're not going to really work for you. So here are a couple top picks of mine that I use for my patients. Again, I mentioned aloe vera gel earlier. It's a powerful agent to help to heal the damaged lining of the gut. And then zinc carnosine, a supplement that's been shown in research to reduce inflammation and promote healing of the lining, the mucus lining of the gut. And then, of course, probiotics. And for me, the best source of probiotics, well, again, food is the best choice. And so you want to make sure that you're going to get different strains of bacteria. And so a variety, diversity of foods and a diversity of bacteria that they're going to produce from those foods is what you want. See, if you just take a probiotic, you're just going to get one or two strains and even several strains maybe. But in my estimation, the best way is to get it from food. I do use a supplement that I think in a pill form is good. It's a specific strain of a microorganism called Saccharomyces boulardii. And it's actually not a bacteria, it's a yeast. And actually it can get through the harsh environment of the stomach lining and the stomach hydrochloric acid and get into the intestinal tract, where it's going to help to increase the diversity of microbes inside your gut. So probiotics can help rebalance your microbiome, and they can help to calm your immune system. But again, food is the best choice. And then, of course, you could take digestive enzymes. What a powerful tool, especially if you're not breaking down your food properly and you have bloating and gas. These digestive enzymes work very fast. So take them right after your meals and you will see some really amazing results. But remember, always talk to your natural healthcare provider before starting any supplement plan. And if you'd like me to become your natural healthcare provider, your natural doctor, as a functional medicine practitioner, I would be an honor for me to help you. You see, nothing makes me smile more, nothing makes me happier than to help people to unleash the power of their own body to recover their health without having to rely on drugs or surgery. Now, I want you to listen carefully. You can't heal the gut if you're living with unmanaged stress and your nervous system is on red alert all day long. Chronic stress increases cortisol levels, which literally thins the lining of the gut and triggers a massive inflammatory response inside the body. So here's what you need to do. Practice deep breathing and prayer or meditation daily. Take 2 or 3 times a day for just 10 to 15 minutes to dedicate to these practices. I promise you'll see a dramatic change in how you're able to get through the day with an ease and peace. And then aim for 7 to 8 hours of sleep every single day. Good quality sleep. And be sure not to shortchange your sleep time. It's really important. And then chew your foods well so that digestion starts in the mouth. And stop eating 3 hours at least before bedtime to give your gut a time to rest. One study, they actually found patients who practiced stress reduction techniques like I'm talking about, they had better repair of the gut lining than those who changed their diet alone. See, diet by itself is not going to work. You got to do things in combination. Lifestyle is the most important part of how to heal the gut. It's the main course to repair your gut, to repair the leaky gut. Well, in this video, my friends, I've provided you with some good tips on how to begin to heal your gut naturally. If you like it, give it a thumbs up. If you found it valuable, please share it with someone who you know is battling with gut issues. And by all means, if you have any questions or any comments that you'd like to make below, please let me know. And take advantage of our free Gut 911 prescription community. It's people just like you and just like me who are caring and sharing for each other to become independently healthy. And by all means, subscribe to my channel if you want more information like this, because every single day I share simple, science-backed strategies to help you say goodbye to illness and hello to wellness. And here's my final thought for today, my friends. Remember, healing a gut isn't about just popping a pill. There's a lot of companies out there that are pushing that their products are a miracle pill or a magic cure. And trust me, my friends, it's all hype. It's all hype just to get you to open your wallet. The truth is, it's about making consistent changes over time, one bite at a time, one breath at a time, and one better decision at a time. See, I've seen it work for thousands of my patients, and it can work for you. Stay well. I'm Dr. Krystosik. Until next time.